Ready? Start. These minimum wages only provided them with the barest means of subsistence, and it was very necessary that it should have been done so. This legislation was of course necessary because the workers in most of these industries which are mentioned in parts 1 and 2 of the schedule in the Parent Act were not organized enough so. The Act of 1948 has not been implemented as expeditiously and as widely as we would like so. There are certain industries like the tannery industry in Uttar Pradesh where the minimum wages have not been fixed in spite of the fact that the act is 13 years old so. There are other instances also from other states so. In the case of agricultural labor, the progress has been much slower than it was expected, though the original act in 1958 laid it down that the minimum wages for agricultural and industrial workers should be fixed within 3 years stanza. Sir, it is now 13 years since that act came into being and we find that even after these 13 years in the case of agricultural labor we have not done what was originally intended to be done in 3 years so. There are undoubtedly a number of practical difficulties, but there is also a fact to be reckoned with that all the state governments are not equally enthusiastic about fixation of minimum wages for agricultural labor stock. It is correct to say that it will be no use fixing minimum wages and not being able to enforce them so. But that was something which was taken into consideration when the original bill was considered so. When the Minimum Wages Act of 1948 was enacted, all this was taken into consideration so. It is only reasonable to expect that minimum wages for agriculture labor will be fixed as quickly as possible and that those states which have not done so will be pulled up by the center as best as the center can stop. The present bill mainly deals with that situation so. It is correct, sir, as has been stated in the statement of objects and reasons of the bill in the case of those industries in the schedule, those sweated industries for which this act was meant, quite a substantial percentage of workers has been covered, but the same cannot be said of agricultural labor stock. It would have been much better if the government was in a position to say the same about agricultural labor stock. It is because of lack of enthusiasm on the part of state governments that our labor ministry has come to this house full stop. Over.